Actually, they turn her into a moneymaker.
Yeah, moneymaker.
Hey Dad, what's going on? Taking a video.
Yeah. Nothing's going on yet.
What's up, guys?
Nothing.
This is the fun part of sailing right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sit around and drink beer.
Captain is relaxed right now.
Dad, you always relax.
Yeah.
When I was in Hawaii, we also
you.
had one that got one off Maui.
Okay, that's 1 minute.
1 minute?
What the timer is. Yeah, I know he's coming right at it.
But we need to make sure, we haven't even looked to make sure it's a 5 mile port.
Well, I am going to go look. But, how am I going to get there?
It's a beautiful day. Good night. I'm gonna kick some ass today.
Hey, is it 5 miles? 5 miles?
5?
We're not talking.
Well, they all held up by hands, but yeah. I don't know. What's this one right here? Oh, it's a 1 mile?
Vinegar, Darcy, Cruising. 5 miles, right?
That's Carson.
130 degrees.
Pull it out. G5. Pull it out. Pull it out. Let's see
All
what
right,
we can.
but we have to race.
Morningwood, Vantage
Let me see
Ryan.